Look at what he was doing. That's your car there, Tam.
Yo, 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 yo.
There is that guy who always says, Major Money. Where is that guy? Where did he go? That...
Cruiser man.
Come and see what your father does.
Major man.
Come and take the smoker.
Yo, 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 yo. Yeah. I sing the victory. Send me a blessing.
My son prayed marungu ndipa bus stop. Njimperekeza uchikoro akati deti anchada kuperekedzwa fuchine tsoka.
So your son prayed yesterday.
You can ask my brother is here.
Where is the brother?
You can ask my brother.
Imagine the son said, I don't want as small as the car is, it is an answer to prayer. And let me tell you something. Nobody, for the cars that are being given right now, nobody planned it beforehand. We didn't even think we were going to give the cars away. It's a thought that just come look at us.
Cruiser man. Naona tunaita baba wako. Thank you, mama. Thank you. Thank you, mama. Thank you, mama.